Hi to all architects, engineers and CAD draftsmen. I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. So guys, this is our second video of a new series of practice exercises for the Autocad beginner students. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So guys, this is the shape we are going to make in Autocad. So let's start the video. Now we have the outer diameter of the circle is 100 units and the inner diameter of the circle is 83 units. Now we make the inner and outer circles, and for that type C for circle and press enter. Specify the center point and give the diameter or radius 50 and the diameter is 100, that's mean radius is 50. Now this inner circle have the diameter of 83 units. Give the diameter 83 units. Now we draw a line like this, 1.25 offset, because here we have 2.5 unit offset. If I check it, like this. So in shape we have the 48 degree, 24 degree on this side and 24 degree on this side. This quadrant have the 90 degree, and if we minus 24 degree into 90 degree we have 66 degree angle. So we should draw a line on 66 degree angle on this quadrant, and for that I put 66 degree and press enter. If I draw a line, L enter. Now here we have 66 degree projection. So mirror it from this axis, press F8 and click on no. So now we check it. This is our 48 degree and this is our 24 degree and this is our 90 degree angle. So guys, in this way we make our shape. I hope you like this video. If you have any question related to this video, please leave a comment or contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.